And that's it. Took only 3 seconds to write a 16 gigabytes 4K video file to this external drive, and just another 3 seconds to read it back. That's twice the speed of a Thunderbolt 4 external drive. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's unbox and check out this latest Thunderbolt 5 NVMe SSD enclosure from Acasis, model TB501 Pro. Set it up with this 4TB Western Digital Black SN7100 Gen 4 PCIe SSD, and see how much faster it is than the Thunderbolt 4 enclosure I've been using for a few years, also from Acasis. The new Thunderbolt 5 enclosure comes in the typical simple packaging. Under the sleeve, lifting the box cover, there's the enclosure. Under the foam, there's a black box with accessories. Inside the box, there are a couple of thermal pads and the rubber stand, an NVMe drive spacer for various size drives, a 1.6-foot Thunderbolt 5 cable for 80 gigabit per second maximum transfer speed, and lastly, a colorful user manual. The new TB501 Pro enclosure is in a dark gray aluminum alloy body. There's a silver colorway as well. Measures about 4.5 inches by 2.1 inches and 0.75 inches thick. New is the indentation around the edges of the case, which makes it seem thinner than the previous Thunderbolt 4 enclosure. Here they are side by side. About the same dimensions really, but the new Thunderbolt 5 TB501 Pro enclosure seems thinner. There's still ridges on the top and the bottom, vents, and an internal built-in fan to keep the enclosure cool to sustain optimal performance. The fan turns on automatically when the device temperature reaches 55 degrees Celsius and turns off when its temperature drops to 40 degrees Celsius. It can be turned on manually by pressing this fan button on the side. Right next to it, there is an indicator light and a high-speed Thunderbolt 5 port. There are no rubber feet on the bottom though to keep it from sliding around on the desk. Not a big deal, but I do miss them. Okay, let's open it up and install the NVMe SSD. What I like about Acasis enclosures is no tool is needed. Just pull on this latch on the other side, the case opens up. It's held closed by these couple of tension steel ball bearings. Like how Acasis added an indentation on the cover for the thermal pads. Tell you why in a bit. The TB501 Pro enclosure is compatible with M and MMB key NVMe drives in various sizes up to 8 terabytes. To install, just insert the drive into the connector at an angle. Push down on this other end and hold it down with the supply rubber stand. Acasis supplies 2 thermal pads, one thick, one thin. Let's try the thick one first. It can be attached to the top of the NVMe drive, or to make it easier to swap out the SSD, it can be attached to the bottom of the lid instead. Here, the indentation comes in handy to align it to the drive. Close the lid. That's it. No tools needed. Feels like the pad isn't touching both the lid and the device. Let's add the thin thermal pad too. Very convenient to change the setup since no tools are needed. Snapping the lid closed again, and that's it. Let's see how it performs. The enclosure has Intel's JHL9480, codenamed Barlow Ridge Thunderbolt 5 controller chip inside, supporting blazing fast 80 gigabit per second maximum transfer speed. It's also backward compatible with other Thunderbolt and USB standards with Realtek's RTL9210 USB controller. Here I have it connected to my M4 MacBook Pro, which also supports Thunderbolt 5. With Blackmagic disk speed test, I get about 5,900 megabytes per second write and about 5,600 megabytes per second read. Amazing speed for an external drive. Acasis also has a great page listing speeds they got with various combinations of computers and NVMe drives in this enclosure. I'll put a link to it in the description below for your reference. Now with the same NVMe drive inside Acasis' previous Thunderbolt 4 enclosure, I get around 2,800 megabytes per second write and 2,800 megabytes per second read. So with the same Western Digital Black SN7100 drive inside, Acasis' new Thunderbolt 5 TB501 Pro is twice as fast as its Thunderbolt 4 enclosure. Transferring a large video file is about twice as fast as well. You saw this at the intro. This large 16GB 4K video takes just about 3 seconds to be transferred from the laptop to the drive, and another 3 seconds to read it back. No problems editing photos and videos directly on this external drive. Snappy without lags or drop frames as expected. Acasis' new TB501 Pro enclosure retails for $299 US, but current street price is about $220, $200, or even lower with discounts. Be sure to check the discount links I'll put in the description below. It's a blazing fast Thunderbolt external 5 enclosure if you have a Thunderbolt 5 capable laptop or desktop. If you don't, Thunderbolt 4 is still more than fast enough. The older Thunderbolt 4 enclosure has also dropped to just $85 now that the Thunderbolt 5 enclosures are out. Acasis also has this handy carrying case with a lanyard and a pocket for the cable. Great for protecting the external drive on the go for about $9. I'll put the links to them in the description below as well. Which external drive do you use for all your photos and videos? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, help it out by giving the video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.